Hush Puppies.
Yum. Hush Puppies.
Try Hush Puppy.
Try one?
Yeah.
All right. Smells good.
Good? Very good. And we got the soft shell crab dinner. You got 2 soft shell crabs here.
Wow.
French fries, coleslaw, and watermelon. I love me some soft shell crab. I'm gonna take off a little piece of it here. Yum. That's good.
Because you eat the whole thing, right?
Yep.
Whoa, that's huge.
Yeah, eat that.
You can't eat all that.
Good? Good. All right, so we're here. Got our feet in the sand. Still munching on our Hush Puppies, and we got a half dozen medium-sized crabs. Let's see what comes in the bag. All right, that's our mallet to pound the crab. You got your knife to extract the crab.
Okay.
Got looks like maybe Old Bay seasoning.
Yep. And butter.
Butter. Okay. And then and the rest of the bag just has those crabs down there. All right, so I'm gonna reach in and grab one.
All right.
There he is.
Oh wow.
All right,
Okay.
there's one for you to work on,
All right.
and here's one for me to work on.
All right.
All right, so start pounding away and try to get some meat out of that thing. I'm sure there's a technique to it that we don't know.
There.
There we go. That's the good stuff.
Getting it laid.
Very good.
What I do is leave the claws on, the 2 big claws. That's what you use a mallet for.
Okay.
I also leave the legs on,
Okay.
and you flip it over. This is called the apron.
Oh.
Kind of one motion, pop the top off.
Oh my.
This is the only part you're not supposed to eat. Fluffy things here, the lungs, they call them devil fingers. This and this.
What happens if you eat those?
You die immediately. You're dead. Okay, clean everything out nice. Break this in half. And usually there's a big swimmer fin here. You break that. And that's where the jumbo lump meat comes from.
Oh.
They sell it up to $40, $50 a pound.
Wow.
There you go.
Wow, nice.
Wow.
And then you take this piece, break it in half. And usually
Very good.
you have the legs to pull out.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And the
Yeah.
meat comes with the legs,
Okay.
but I have no legs.
Because we took them
We
off.
took them off, but you can see them.
So leave them on.
Yeah, leave them on. There you go.
Nice.
Cut it down
Yeah.
the apron.
So I'm trying to pull it the best I can.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But you can use your knife and pick around. Yep, and usually it'll come right out with the legs, and that shows it's cooked right when it just peeled.
Right there, perfect. All right, thank you so much. You're a pro, man. This is fun.
You had a good time.
So now that I've been given a little bit of a tutorial, what I did is I made a whole pile of my crab meat, pouring a little bit of butter on it, putting some of this seasoning on it. I'm not really quite sure what it is, but it's very tasty. Sprinkle that on. Maybe a little bit more of that. It's really good. And then I just eat it by the forkful. Yum. All right, Miss Tammy, we did 2 soft shell crabs, 6 crabs that we processed ourselves, some Hush Puppies. That was fun.
It was really fun.
Yeah.
Really good too.
Yep, I would do it again.
Me too.
This place is great. it.